Hello and welcome to another episode of Make Money Online with Jessica and online updates. So I've been getting so many requests from you guys on how to get your money out of Gray to your local bank account in whatever currency it is, be it United States dollars, GBP, British pounds, euros, or Nigerian Naira. So that is why I'm going to be making today's video to address everything from scratch to bottom. So the app that is on your screen right now is Gray app. Okay, it's what we use to withdraw our foreign currency from the platforms we work with online. Then at the end of the day, convert it to our local currency. If you want to get an account for yourself, I'll be dropping the link to the video I made on how to create an account on Gray and verify your account afterwards. So take the first link in the description of this video to watch that video and get your account set. Alright, I've also made a video on how to link it to your PayPal account. I'll be dropping the links to all the videos I have mentioned in this video below in the comment section and also in the description of this video. Alright, so if today is your very first time coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Like I said, this channel is meant for make money online tips, tricks, updates, and also online updates. So if you know you like content like this, do not hesitate to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on updates like this. Okay, so with that being said, let's get straight to the video in full. As you can see here, I have $5 in this account. So just because of you, or I decided to leave it there to use it as a to do the demo. Okay, so before we do anything, the first thing you need to know is that you have to set two factor authentication on your Gray app. All right, this is like to secure your account, and whenever you want to make any withdrawal from this platform, you'll be requested to receive a code. All right, so let's go to where we have more. All that is just for security purpose. All right, it's for security purposes. Okay, so this is my Gray app. I'm using the Gray app. All right, you can decide to download the Gray app, and if you've not gotten your account, like I said, watch the video I did on it and then make sure you use the referral code. Okay, so this is my profile account verification. You can see my account is verified. So we are going to scroll here where we have two-factor authentication. That's what we are going to click on that right now. I have actually set mine. As you can see, I have set mine already. So you'll be given an opportunity to set SMS two-factor authentication, or set the 2FA method. All right, this is what you will see. You'll be given an option to choose either of the two. So for this account, I specifically chose SMS two-factor authentication method, but they recommended I use the authenticator app. All right, you can just download your Google authenticator app from your Play Store, Google Play Store, your App Store, and then I actually did a video on how to do the what's it called, the linkage and everything, but it was not a separate video. It was in a particular video I did introducing how to make money online with that particular platform. And at the process of making that video, I showed how to use the Google Authenticator app there. So I might tag that video. Just watch the video for this particular what's it called, um aspects, for the authenticator aspect, how to get your code and then link it so you can use the authenticator app. But the faster method is the SMS method, which is what I use. You just click on the SMS and you'll be prompted to drop your phone number. I didn't record the video when I was doing that. That's what I'm trying to say with my mouth. Okay, you'll be recommended to drop your phone number, then they'll send the code to your phone number. Once you provide them the code, you click on done, you're good to go. Your SMS has been set, your two-factor authentication has been set. All right, I don't want to turn it off already, so you can see that it says mine has been enabled. So that is the first thing you need to do before you do any form of withdrawal on this platform. So now that we are done, this is I have money in what's it called, my United States dollar account. All right, so I had in my GBP, but I've already removed it, so I didn't record a video. So Thank God I still have money here to use to record the video for you all. Alright, so the next thing you're going to do is to click on send instead of convert. This is the reason why. If you click on convert, when you do the necessary conversion and everything, you see that the money you'll be receiving will be lesser than the money you will be receiving when you just automatically send from the particular currency to your own currency. So here you want to convert to excuse me. So here you want to convert from dollars to naira. You can see that you're going to be given 5,437 naira here, but when you are withdrawing, you'll be charged 35 naira. That's when you finally swapped it to naira. If you then want to withdraw from naira, that's like two processes. Okay, so instead of going through this stress, why don't you just head on back and click on send? Whatever currency, if you are using from GGP, you just change it to GBP. That's British. You see where I'm clicking here. Are you seeing where I'm clicking here? Where it says British pounds there. I don't have any money there, so you can just interchange the currency to where you have the money. So I have money in dollars, so that's why I'll be sending now. So I'm going to click on send here. Then it's asking me if I want to send using gray tag, send to a beneficiary or send to a new recipient. So if this is your first time doing this, you'll definitely be sending to a new recipient because you've never sent to anybody before. Do you understand? You've not sent money to anybody before, so it's definitely to a new recipient, okay, not a very beneficiary. If you have sent before and you save the person's account number, that person's going to be your beneficiary. So let's click on where it says send to new recipient, and you can see my money here. Balance to send from, I'm sending from my USD balance. I'm not sending USD, I'm sending naira. Currency to send is Nigerian naira. You can see the current rate here per dollar. Amount I want to send, $5. You see what I did? Okay, we are now left with 5,405. They've taken the general charge, we they won't take it to 0.07 cents. So now the bank, let's select our bank. I'm going to be transferring to my OPay. I think PalmPay 2 will be available. Let's see. All right, let's transfer to my PalmPay. Then I'll input my bank account number. All right, feel free to send me funds. Okay, so you can see my account name came out automatically. I wasn't the one who typed in my account name. This is to verify that you are really putting the correct your account details. That is why they are the one that will verify automatically, and which is more safer. All right, so now we are done with that. You can just put anything in the description in case you're sending to somebody else. You can just put maybe from that is you, but it's not necessary, it's not compulsory, it's optional. Then you can save the person as your new recipient. So I'll click on continue. You can see now it's prompting me to click on where it says make transfer. I've clicked on make transfer. Now the 2FA code to confirm transaction. They will be sending me an SMS code to the number I used to verify for the two-factor authentication verification. So let me head to my other device to get it. All right, so I've gotten to my other device to get the code, and this was the code I was given, 779043. Then I'm just going to click on where it says authorize payment. Why is it invalid SMS code? Let's go, let me check it. Okay, it's like I'm using the wrong one. Okay, let me click on make transfer. Let them send me another code. All right, and that code has been sent, 821155. All right, don't mind this invalid SMS code. The second one worked out. It's like I inputted the wrong code initially. So it says withdrawal processing. Normally this thing is to enter instantly. Sometimes it might take like maybe 2 to 3 minutes before it enters. So let's wait a bit to see if it's going to enter, because the account I withdrew into is right on this device I'm using to record this video. Okay, so for some reasons my PalmPay did not send me notification and I was waiting. So you can see that it says interbank transfer. You can see that the money was credited to my bank accounts. Are you seeing that? Let's go to my transaction history to be more precise or to be more clear. So you can see here, receive transfer. I got my money exactly 9:48 a.m. You can check the time when I was recording the video and when I did the withdrawal. So guys, that is just basically how to withdraw from your gray account to your local bank account. If you want a video showing you how to transfer your funds from PayPal to your Grey account, alright, just drop a comment. I will do that video ASAP. It's actually very simple. That is like after you successfully linked your Grey account to your PayPal account and you want to withdraw from your PayPal to your Grey account. If you don't know how to do that, please drop a comment. And if this video has helped you in any way, do not just watch and scroll. I will appreciate you if you just smash the like button, subscribe to the channel for more tips and updates on how to make money online, and also turn on the little bell icon so whenever I upload future videos, you will be the first to get notified. I will appreciate. This is just a way of saying thank you, Jessica, for the video, and it will help my video be pushed to others like you who will need such videos. Thank you for watching and God bless you. I will see you guys in my next video.